Time now for a check of your north central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a fantastic Thursday. Boy, much improved as far as our air quality goes today compared to yesterday. But check out this shot from our tower camera up on Wenatchee Heights. Our producer Malcolm Whitehall called it apocalypse now, and it sure looks like that, doesn't it? With that smoke plume hanging over the Wenatchee area and then some blue skies just above the Cascades today made just a wild effect as we look down at the Wenatchee Valley. Okay, as we get you into this evening, our red flag warning will continue. Windy conditions continue around north central Washington, 15 to 20 miles an hour. Could see gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Remember, that's until 11 o'clock tonight, but it goes until 9 a.m. for extreme western Chelan County. Boy, we are really worried about new or ongoing fires that could spread very rapidly in the windy, dry conditions, so be awfully careful out there. Also a concern today and this evening, areas of blowing dust. Visibility could be cut to half a mile to 1 mile, and we are talking Highway 2 from you folks for Waterville over into the Davenport area heading into Chelan, also on I-90 from George to Ritzville, so look out for that dust. But as we get past that, we're going to see a little bit of smoke tomorrow morning on Friday, and then look at that, we're expecting anyway, mostly sunny skies by afternoon on Friday. It's going to cool down quite a bit, upper 60s to mid 70s for highs. And then, boy, this weekend it looks beautiful here, at least in the Wenatchee Valley, with a mix of clouds and sun and temperatures in the upper 70s. And then things really begin to change Sunday night into Monday. We have a good chance for some showers on Monday with temperatures in the low 70s. And it looks like past that, showers with temperatures down into the 60s. We'll talk more about that coming up. Today's high temperature unofficially, boy, it was a warm one out there. 82 degrees, 9 degrees above where we should be for this time of year. 73 is our normal high. 87 our record. That was set way back in 1962. 55 this morning, 49 our normal low now, and 34 is our record cold, and that was set in 1972. Sunrise 6:52, and it sets tonight at 6:51. Almost exactly 12 hours of light and 12 hours of dark as we head into this first part of fall. High temperatures tomorrow, quite a bit cooler, as I mentioned, almost 10 degrees cooler. 73s all over the map. Moses Lake, Ephrata, Quincy, Wenatchee, we will see 73 tomorrow, as will Entiat, Chelan. Omak a little warmer at 74, and a pair of 72s tomorrow afternoon for both Leavenworth and for Kashmir. Tonight, high pressure will continue to be in control of our weather. Still some breezy conditions lingering over into our overnight. Widespread haze, maybe even some smoke in our forecast. Low temperatures tonight right around that 50-degree mark, so pretty much normal for this time of year. For your Friday, morning smoke, and we are really hoping the smoke scours out by Friday afternoon. If it does, we expect sunshine. High temperatures on the cooler side into the lower 70s for tomorrow afternoon. And then for your upcoming weekend, boy, it looks nice. It really does, at least here in Wenatchee. Mostly sunny and warmer. Look at all of the clear skies for Saturday. High temperatures in the mid to upper 70s, so very comfortable to kick off our weekend. And boy, at least for Wenatchee, as I mentioned, same goes for Sunday. Even though we'll see a lot of sun early, increasing clouds by afternoon, we will be warmer with high temperatures right around 80, but you can see this trough of low pressure digging in off the Oregon coast, and that will affect us as we get into Monday. In fact, 1, 2, and even 3 areas of low pressure surrounding the Pacific Northwest on Monday. That's going to kick off about a 40% chance of rain showers. High temperatures only in the low 70s for Monday, and this wetter, cooler trend will continue as we get into Tuesday. A very pronounced area of low pressure will sit off the Washington-Oregon coast. It'll bring a lot of clouds our way and a good chance for evening showers on Tuesday, about a 30% chance. But look at the highs into the upper 60s. And then for Wednesday, just a big mess of wind and clouds moving our way. Good chance that we will all see some rain showers on Wednesday as high temperatures stay in the upper 60s. All right, your 7-day forecast, 51 overnight tonight. Morning smoke giving way to afternoon sunshine tomorrow, 73 your high. And then this weekend, very nice, 77, mostly sunny Saturday, increasing clouds Sunday and 80. For Monday, that's when it gets wetter and cooler. A 40% chance of rain and 73. Decent chance for rain again on Tuesday and Wednesday, cooling back on those days into the upper 60s. And that's a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.